This video compares two software tools. An AI voice walks you through everything clearly. Let's start directly with pricing, beginning with UK Tax Professionals Ltd. Unlike subscription-based tax software, UK Tax Professionals Ltd operates on a service-led pricing model rather than transparent fixed software fees. Pricing depends on the type of tax work required, the complexity of the client's situation, and whether the engagement involves self-assessment, company tax, VAT, payroll, or advisory services. In most cases, pricing is provided after an initial consultation, meaning clients receive a tailored quote based on their circumstances, rather than selecting a predefined plan. This approach suits individuals and businesses that prefer expert-led tax handling instead of self-managing submissions through software, but it also means costs are not instantly comparable or predictable upfront, especially for new clients budgeting for the first time. Now compare that with TaxReady, which also does not publish fixed public pricing. TaxReady follows a request-based pricing structure, where users must contact the provider to receive a quote based on usage needs, user volume, and selected modules. Like UK Tax Professionals Ltd, this positions TaxReady away from entry-level, self-serve tools and more toward professional or semi-professional use cases. However, the key distinction is that UK Tax Professionals Ltd delivers tax work as a managed service, while TaxReady provides software that enables users or firms to complete tax processes themselves once onboarded. Moving into the features of UK Tax Professionals Ltd, the firm is positioned as a full-service UK tax and accounting provider rather than a technology platform. Services typically include self-assessment tax returns, corporation tax filings, VAT returns, bookkeeping support, payroll processing, and HMRC correspondence handling. Clients benefit from direct access to qualified tax professionals who manage compliance, respond to HMRC queries, and advise on tax efficiency. This hands-on approach removes the burden of learning tax software or keeping up with regulatory changes, making it attractive to clients who value certainty, accountability, and professional oversight over automation. UK Tax Professionals Ltd also supports individuals with complex tax affairs, including landlords, company directors, self-employed professionals, and taxpayers with multiple income streams. Advisory services may include tax planning, compliance reviews, and representation in HMRC inquiries. Rather than dashboards and integrations, the value lies in expertise, accountability, and human review of submissions before anything is filed, which can significantly reduce stress during peak tax periods. Looking at the pros, UK Tax Professionals Ltd excels in reliability, personalised support, and reduced client workload. Clients don't need to worry about MTD rules, deadlines, or submission errors, as professionals manage the entire process end to end. This is ideal for people who want tax done for them rather than done by them. However, the cons are just as clear. Pricing is not transparent, turnaround times depend on communication and document turnaround, and clients have less real-time visibility compared to software dashboards. It is also less suitable for users who prefer direct control, instant reporting, or automation-driven workflows. Now let's focus fully on what TaxReady offers beyond pricing. TaxReady is positioned as a structured tax compliance and preparation platform rather than a managed service. Its core strength lies in guiding users through tax workflows using software logic, validation rules, and predefined processes instead of human-led execution. TaxReady is designed to help individuals, accountants, or small firms prepare and submit tax information accurately while retaining full control over the data, calculations, and submission process at every stage. TaxReady typically supports structured tax return preparation, compliance checks, and submission workflows aligned with HMRC requirements. Users input financial and tax data directly into the system, which then applies validation rules and logic checks to flag inconsistencies or missing information before submission. The platform focuses on correctness, repeatability, and documentation rather than real-time bookkeeping or financial reporting. This makes it suitable for users who already maintain records elsewhere, such as spreadsheets or bookkeeping software, and need a reliable system to convert that data into compliant tax filings without outsourcing. One of TaxReady's strengths is consistency and scalability. Once users learn the workflow, the same structured process can be applied across multiple returns or clients, reducing manual errors and reliance on external advisors. It allows firms to scale tax preparation internally, standardize processes across staff, and maintain internal control over deadlines and submissions. Unlike service firms, TaxReady enables faster turnaround once data is ready, because users are not dependent on advisor availability or back and forth communication. The pros of TaxReady include control, scalability, and structured compliance. It's ideal for users who want to handle tax preparation in-house while still benefiting from software-driven checks and repeatable workflows. It can reduce long-term costs for repeat filings and gives firms ownership of their tax processes. However, the cons are important. TaxReady does not provide bookkeeping, invoicing, or wider business management tools, and it requires users to understand tax concepts and terminology. There is no hand-holding in the way a professional firm would provide. An initial setup and learning can feel technical for beginners. In terms of ratings, UK Tax Professionals Ltd may have limited or inconsistent public review data on platforms like Trustpilot. Where reviews are available, they often reflect satisfaction with professionalism, responsiveness, and expert support. However, the absence of large-scale review volume means prospective clients should rely more on consultations, referrals, and direct communication rather than ratings alone. As always, limited reviews do not imply poor quality, only a smaller public digital footprint. Final takeaway: if you want your tax handled end-to-end by professionals, with minimal effort and maximum reassurance on your side, UK Tax Professionals Ltd offers peace of mind through expert-led service. If you prefer structured software that gives you control over preparation, repeatable workflows, and internal scalability while maintaining compliance, TaxReady is the better fit. If this comparison helped, hit like, subscribe for more honest software breakdowns, and click the link below to access the solution that actually fits how you manage tax, compliance, and workload day to day.